Hi everyone, today I'm going to make ground pork soup with potatoes and a side dish of grilled mackerel. And I'm not grilling outside because it's cold, so I'm just gonna use my oven to grill the fish. Let's start cooking. Make sure to wash your fish well and dry it with paper towel. Place green onion inside the fish, then put salt and pepper. Prepare a tray and spray it with Pam to prevent it from sticking. Place the fish inside an oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Saute garlic and onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ground beef and cook it for 5 minutes. Add beef bouillon, salt and pepper. Add 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add Anatto liquid for color. I used 2 tablespoons Anatto seed and 1/4 cup hot water, and I left it for 5 minutes. Add potato cubes and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. Our ground beef potato soup and grilled mackerel are done. It's time to eat.